Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so it's been very long time. I didn't do any video on Shiba, I think. So that was June 2023. We had this possible ABC counted as a wave one. Man, oh man, this wasn't a good time to sell our Shiba. Seriously. 4,600. Wow, that was great. Also, after that, we had an a B, and a C. Now the C, I think the 0.618 is around this level here, and we went lower. It's fine with that, but the only thing now is it didn't do much. Since then, it didn't do much. As you can see, I did put a downtrend line here. We are trying to break this long-term downtrend that actually this was December 2024. Okay, so since last year, we are officially into a downtrend. And today, we are about to see if we can manage to break this trend. And it's not even done. We managed to do a new lower low of this cycle, the 22nd of June. So just a couple weeks ago. And now I know this, it doesn't sound very bullish because it is not. Okay, so let me try to be more bullish. Let's say that I count this as a wave one, this is a wave two. I mean, actually I should have, it doesn't matter. And so this is the third wave. We're working on a fourth. Maybe it's not finished, and going on a fifth. So let's go and put some data here to see if it does work out, this count. Diagonal left. So I am inclined to say, okay, first of all, I would put the wave 2 here. And then I would say this is a 1, this is A, B, C for a 2, or 1, 2, yeah. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the third. And this is the fourth. So I would put the third wave here. So I'm counting 1, 2. And within that, I have a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. Which would close the third wave, and now we are in the fourth. I'm not sure. I think we're still working on a fourth. And so if that is the case, first of all, let me put this in orange. Okay, so that's good. Now undo the fib retracement for this fourth wave. Yeah, okay, so this fourth wave could be already finished. Depending where you put the third wave, right? Because it could be also an A overshooting with B and a C. Now, the first thing I should do, let me see here. This is going to be a challenging one. Let's say I put, should I put it here? Let's say I put it here. I'm sure. Okay, let's do it like this. Okay, I didn't click. Going to go my setting for wave 2. And I want to add the maximum where the wave B can go. And so once again, it's within DMA 200. So this is going to be a strong resistance. Now, I can also make the case that maybe the third wave was here, and this is the end of the fourth wave. So let's do the extension. Actually, I did a mistake here. Let me, what did I say? Yeah, here. So 0.618, once again, we are at 1555 as a fifth wave level. So let's see how SHIB can perform. Could it be that this is just an A, this is the B, and now we have a 1, 2, a 3, all this is a 4, and working for a fifth one, and this is just an A? It is possible as well, unfortunately. And that we could just do an A, a B, and a C. And this is why for this cycle, my expectations are not great for SHIB. And once again, I'm taking a defense approach. So I'm going to just do the fib here for a B wave. And I'm even willing to add the 0.5 fib. And I honestly, at 1800, maybe it's time to put our sell stop limit. Clearly this downtrend line at 2500, by the time we go there, it's going to be about this level. It's going to touch the downtrend. I don't know. We need to be very, very careful. Very, very careful with pretty much all the alts that we had high hope in the last cycle. We need to be very conservatory with our targets. We need to stop wishing that, this now is going to start to kick in. No, it's not. It's not. It's simply not. Maybe one or two, they will do it. They will manage. But I'm not even sure, honestly. All the previous alts, only few made a higher high. If they didn't do it now, when, it's only left few months left to this bull market. Maybe 5 months, let's say December. We are in July 16, okay? Less than half a year. Now, yes, there is a theory of the super cycle, but, let's not create our hope over exceptions. So, people that are they're losing money, they're in deficit, you should change your approach. Don't ask for the moon, don't wait for the moon, and you need to mindset yourself that, when we think that Bitcoin is going to be to the top, if we are lucky, it's going to move on the side. That's going to be the last breath for the altcoins to try to do the last thing, the last impulsive movement, if they can. And after that, it's liquidation time, my friends. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.